Once upon a time, in a vast and dense jungle, there lived a powerful lion. He was feared by all the animals in the forest. One day, the lion roamed the entire jungle in search of food, but luck was not on his side. He couldn't find a single animal to hunt. As the day passed, his hunger grew unbearable and he became weak and exhausted. As the sun began to set, the lion came across a cave in the middle of the jungle. Tired and desperate, he thought to himself, "This cave must belong to some animal. If I wait here patiently, its owner will return at night and I will have an easy meal." Satisfied with his plan, the lion entered the cave, hid inside, and waited quietly in the darkness. Now, this cave was the home of a clever jackal. Every evening, after searching for food, the jackal would return to his cave to rest for the night. As he approached the cave that night, he suddenly noticed something unusual. The ground outside the cave had fresh paw prints, large ones. He carefully examined them and soon realized that the footprints led into the cave but did not come out. This made him suspicious. Could there be a predator hiding inside? He wondered. The jackal was intelligent and knew that something was wrong. He immediately decided not to enter the cave. But instead of running away in fear, he came up with a clever plan. Standing outside, he called out loudly, "Oh my dear cave, why are you silent today? Every day when I return, you call out to me and invite me inside. But today, you are not speaking. What happened? Are you upset with me?" Hearing this, the lion inside was confused. He thought to himself, "Does this cave really talk to the jackal every day? Maybe it is silent today because of my presence. If I don't respond, the jackal might get suspicious and leave. I must make the cave speak so he believes everything is normal." So, in a deep and loud voice, the lion replied from inside the cave, "Come in, my friend. Come inside." The moment the jackal heard this, he knew for sure that a lion was hiding inside, waiting to attack him. His plan had worked perfectly. Suppressing his laughter, the jackal immediately turned around and ran as fast as he could, disappearing into the forest before the lion could react. The foolish lion sat inside the cave, realizing too late that he had been tricked. He had exposed himself with his own voice. Angry and frustrated, he let out a loud roar, but it was of no use. His prey had escaped, and he remained hungry for the night. The jackal, on the other hand, was proud of his intelligence. He had not only saved his life but had also outwitted the mighty lion. From that day on, he never returned to that cave and became even more cautious in his ways. This story teaches us an important lesson: cleverness and quick thinking can often overcome even the greatest strength.